Welcome back to another video. Soil here, and today I want to talk about Supertrend, which is an excellent trend following indicator for day trading. If you're interested to learn how to use this indicator, stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, here we go. We got Supertrend indicator here on this chart. It's actually an overlay, and as you can see, it's overlaid on the price chart. Supertrend was developed by Oliver Sebon, who is a French financial advisor, and as the name of this indicator indicates, it's a trend following indicator like moving averages, MACD, or other trend following indicators, and it helps you to identify buying signals or selling signals based on the overall direction of the market. Please pay attention that like other trend following indicators, Supertrend also works well when the market is trending, and when the market is in a trading range, it can give you false signals most of the time. The calculation of Supertrend is relatively complex, and in practice there is no need for you to know the formula of this indicator or how it's calculated, because Supertrend is available on most of trading platforms and you just need to learn how to use it for trading. Just know one point, that ATR, average true range, is also used in the calculation of Supertrend, which means that the volatility of the market is also taken into account. If you're not familiar with ATR, ATR is a very useful indicator that measures the volatility of the market. I have a video about ATR and I recommend you to watch it later so you learn how you can use ATR for evaluating the volatility of the market. Alright, let's get back to Supertrend. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this indicator is more commonly used for intraday trading, so you can use it on time frames from 1 minute to 4 hours, and the default setting of Supertrend is 10 for the ATR length and 3 for the factor or multiplier. The default setting is the most commonly used ones, and it actually works pretty well in most of situations, but based on your trading style, trading system, or the market you trade, you can increase or decrease the sensitivity of this indicator by adjusting the settings so it will meet your trading needs and it will match your whole analytical process. Alright, now let's see how we use Supertrend for trading. As you can see, we have continuous areas of red and green color, which actually shows if the price is advancing or declining. When a candle closes above the red line, the Supertrend line goes below the candle and it becomes green, and also the area in between. And similarly, when a candle closes below the green line, the Supertrend line goes above the candle and it becomes red, and also the area in between. These crossing of candles, actually the color changing of the Supertrend indicator, gives us a signal that the direction of the market is going to change. When it turns to green, it's a buy signal, and when it turns to red, it's a sell signal. But please pay attention, as I said earlier, this is a trend following indicator and it works well when the market is trending, and it doesn't work well when the market is in a trading range. So you must conduct a multiple time frame analysis and find the overall trend of the market on higher time frame. The buy signal is significant only if the overall direction of the market is up, and the sell signal is significant only if the overall direction of the market is down. And when the market is in a trading range, you shouldn't take any action because the probability that the signal is a false signal is much higher. I have a complete guide to multiple time frame analysis, the link also in the description of this video, and I recommend you to watch it later because it's really important to learn how to work with different time frames. Alright, getting back to our Supertrend, another use case of this indicator is for setting stop loss. As I've already explained, in the calculation of this indicator, ATR is also used. If you're familiar with ATR, you know that ATR can be used for setting trailing stop loss. Here also you can use Supertrend for setting stop loss and moving your stop loss based on this indicator. You can set your stop loss below the Supertrend line and gradually move your stop loss when the market is moving in your expected way. When the Supertrend line is horizontal, it shows that a correction or pullback is happening, and after that, when the pullback ends, the Supertrend line also gets back to the prior direction, the same direction with the price, and below these horizontal levels are excellent places cases to move your stop loss and lock in your profit. Please pay attention that, like other indicators, you should never take your trading decisions only based on Supertrend indicator, and you must use it in conjunction with other tools or concepts of technical analysis. For example, let's add RSI to the chart following this advancing of the price. Here we have a small divergence. The price made higher high, but the RSI made lower high, which shows that we have less upside momentum or increasing of downside momentum, and it gives the possibility that the trend may end and the price may go to a trading range, or a reversal may happen and the direction of the price may turn to a downtrend. Here the RSI crosses below the 50 and it can be a sign that a new trend is starting, but still we are above 40 level, which act as a support level in uptrends. Here the 40 level is broken, which coincides with selling signal of Supertrend indicator. So always remember that you should never trade only based on Supertrend, and you must use it in conjunction with other tools and concepts of technical analysis. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you found any value in this video, please like it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.